So this Kubota U10 normally comes with a one-way hydraulic outlet with free return for the tank. That is perfect for using with an hydraulic breaker, but I wanted to use this hydraulic bucket, so I built it so it have two-way hydraulic to the front, so I can tilt the bucket both ways. So the way I did it is, if you see this, let's see, if you see this connection down here, the hose going this way, it's the original hose that was free return to the tank. This one was connected to the fitting you see down here. This one, the hose went into there, and this pipe is free return to the tank. So then I had one function in the front. So if I push this pedal down, the hydraulic breaker was running and the oil was flowing free back to the tank. So no resistance. But since I wanted to use the hydraulic bucket, I made this connection down here with the hose and the elbow up, and it goes up here and into the central. This is this one is the original outlet on in the front on the boom that is run by this pedal. So here was one plug. I just unplugged it, installed this fitting and connected the hose from down there all the way up here, and then I made this pedal. Everything is here original, this part here, but I welded on this pedal here, you can see, and I just made this out of a plate. So now if I push down here, the bucket is tilting one way, and if I push down here, the bucket is tilting the other way. But this also made a problem, because when I'm now running the hydraulic breaker, I get too much resistance in the central here, because the oil isn't running free return to the tank. It has to go by the central and then back to the tank. So the oil gets hot and the breaker isn't working as good anymore. So now the plan is to make one new hose coming out here and connected to the fitting down there. So I will just run it in here with the rest of the hose, and maybe I put it something like this so the hydraulic line can go here. So then I don't have to, or maybe up here with the other ones. I have to see. So since it's free for oil in the tank, it's a perfect situation to do it. So let's get started to remove this connection down there, the plug, and then I can go and buy a hose tomorrow and fit it, and then go back and make them when I know the length I want. So let's get started.